my name is Haley. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna be making a rosemary peach chicken thighs in a white wine sauce, so it's kind of fancy. Whenever I saw the picture of this recipe, I was like, oh my god, I need to make this. So that's what I'm gonna be making today, and I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Let's see. I got the ingredients right here. Canola oil is what I'm using. Chopped rosemary leaves, but I'm not using like fresh rosemary. I'm using just regular dried out rosemary leaves. And I'm using lemon juice, salt and pepper, flour, bacon, dry white wine, and it's a Pinot, I don't know how to say that. Pinot Grigio. It's Pinot whatever. Peaches, I'm gonna be using 2 peaches, honey, fresh mozzarella that I grated, and fresh basil for topping. I'm gonna use dried basil. So that's the ingredients, and I'm gonna show you how to make it right now. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is rub the chicken all over with the mix. And this is 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 tablespoons of the rosemary leaves. I did 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And I did 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper roughly. And this is what's in here, and this is what you're gonna put on the chicken thighs. And I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So they look like this. I don't know if you're supposed to cook them like laid out like that or what. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like that. Anyways, I'm just gonna put some of this whatever on it and just kind of rub it in. So I ran out of the mixture, so I'm gonna go ahead and make that again, like the same ratio. Okay, next you're gonna take some all-purpose flour. This is 1/3 of a cup, but I might need more, so it's just whatever. And you're gonna take the chicken and you're just gonna sprinkle it evenly on both sides until it's nice and coated. This is what they look like when they're all floured. You're gonna need like a cup of flour or more just to get them all floured. But I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator while I slice up the peaches. Okay, now I'm just gonna slice up the peaches. That's what they look like. Some of them are sliced a little bit thinner than others, but just sliced. It doesn't matter. Okay, now I'm over on the stove. I'm gonna pan fry some bacon, and I'm gonna turn it on medium heat. And I'm gonna let that get hot, and then I'm gonna start cooking the bacon. Okay, now that I'm done with the bacon, I'm gonna use the bacon grease, and I'm gonna start cooking the chicken. So yeah, I'm just gonna use the bacon grease to cook the chicken, and I'm gonna start putting it in now. It says to cook it 5 minutes per side. Okay, I forgot to say to preheat your oven to 425 degrees, and this is what the chicken looks like. And I'm gonna put the sauce over top. Okay, now you're gonna crumble the bacon on top. Okay, now you're gonna put the peaches in.
Peaches.
Stop! Randall, the cat's getting carried. Why would you do that? Okay, this is the mozzarella cheese. I'm just gonna sprinkle it. To drizzle some honey over the peaches. Now I'm going to put this in the oven for 5 minutes. Anyways, this is what it looks like when it's all done.
Spill it.
I'm not spilling this
You
shit.
about did.
Anyways, this is what it looks like when it gets done. I did it a little bit different than the recipe.
Well,
but it looks good to me. We're going to try
this whole video, doesn't it? You need to tell them what you did.
I did. I showed them everything that I did.
Even the changes?
Yes.
Okay. Are you gonna put a link to the? Are you gonna put a link to the ingredients or whatever?
No, I'm gonna use the ingredients that I used. Anyways, this is what it looks like. Okay, once you're done, you're supposed to sprinkle some basil on.
God damn.
A little bit, not too much. Okay, all done. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's all done. Looks pretty good. Does it taste good? It looks good. Okay, I'm about to taste it. It's good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Very good. It tastes professional. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you made this, then I hope that you like it. It was very good. And yeah, bye.